as a recently sent-off cryptographic money based on Ethereum blockchain. Long money is otherwise called long for conglomeration of yield cultivating. Authoritatively sent off on July 17, 2020, by cronje. Long money is one of the most valuable decentralized finance coins. It is likewise known to be a stage that boosts income procured through computerized resources by yield cultivating. Look at this view before we start with nitty-gritty YFI cost expectation. More famous as the token long money has a developing fan following with a goal to boost yearly rate yields and is likewise eminent as APY for its lofty clients. Known for holding the acknowledgement for a renowned decentralized project, long money tokens are used by clients as USDC, USDT, and ETI while executing different exchanges like storing reserves, and so on. With the assistance of YFI tokens, clients can procure loaning charges as well as exchanging expenses. Under the umbrella of long, a large number of stablecoins get support VIS, DAI, USC, UST, TUST, and SUSD, and they are additionally moved among numerous upheld DeFi conventions like Compound, OV, DaiDX, and Bend, based on which resource pool is offering the best return. Consequently, we can envelop different exercises of long money, with the most unmistakable ones being one of a benefit-changing bank to increase loaning yields, going about as a facilitator for stablecoin exchanges, no capital robotized vendor for OV, and that of making vaults for getting and loaning needs connected with savvy contracts. The vital classifications to pick above classes are sectioned under Procure, ZAP, APR, and Vaults. It tends to be underlined that long money as a stage goes about as an impetus to advance stablecoins by means of loaning and getting through Bend money, and simultaneously upgrading pool liquidity with computerized resources. Worth focusing on is that the above whole ecospace of DeFi by long is overseen proficiently and successfully. The YFI token assumes a critical part here. Right now, this computerized coin cost is around $21,565.58 with a market cap of $790,708,582.40. The 24 hours exchanging volume remains at $127,896,725.40 with a circling supply of 36,638 YFI. Despite the fact that set in a profoundly unstable universe of crypto resources, ideal elements like tight security conventions and a high-level calculation assume a truly urgent part in impacting speculations as well as long money cost expectation. The essential goal of the YFI group has been to guarantee straightforwardness and simultaneously protection. This multitude of variables comprise venture counsel by top agents as well as specialists. The ongoing cost of long money approaches $21,555.80. In view of our expectations, a drawn-out increment is normal. The cost estimate for 2026 is $225,342. With a 5-year speculation, the all-out worth of income is supposed to be around plus 621.18%, according to our yearnfinance cost expectation. There is potential for YFI cost and show it might go on a higher feeling in the digital currency market. The coin cost could cross $32,320.13 toward the finish of 2022, making it a beneficial venture. According to our drawn-out cost forecast, the coin could get somewhat impacted by bears. However, we'll see the bull ride around 2024 and the coin might exchange between the most extreme cost of $25,867 and the least cost of $22,299. In view of our information of long money stage and its YFI token demonstrates that the resource cost has been in an upturn for the beyond 1 year. In the forthcoming days, it might keep on showing a rising propensity. The future cost of the resource is anticipated at $108,898.93 following a year as per our expectation framework and monetary administration. Long money, verifiable information and specialized investigation. Established as of late in February 2020, long money has had an extraordinary group of committed experts who are specialists in the digital currency market. The previous year demonstrated amazingly certain for long money in spite of the impacts of the pandemic. Albeit the coin eased back a piece in the last part of the year gone by, it got an extraordinary push finishing the year 2020 with enormous increase. From that point forward, there has been no thinking back for long money as it kept a cost of $29,730 all through according to the most recent news. The 5 years in length estimate is given beneath that portrays the YFI arrangement of hazard as well as figure speculation situation for crypto market examination in view of everyday diagram and market news giving ascent and fall of long money DeFi token all-time excessive cost. All said and done, the YFI pattern has been very forceful, prompting an exceptionally hopeful way. The coin might fill quickly, particularly for collusions. New organizations would carry YFI to the spotlight, making it the middle stage for ventures and a socially regarded digital money. In the realm of digital currencies like YFI, there could be figures of marvels. There could be enchantment in the present moment as well. In view of information refreshes, it wouldn't be a misrepresentation that this evaluated cryptographic money could break every one of the obstructions and endure everyday hardship. It's scaling above past all-time high, with a touch of tolerance and keeping the expectations high in the drawn-out costs. Financial backers can expect a completion time toward the finish of 2025, as the reception of YFI would develop dramatically. By when it would not anymore a credulous contestant in the realm of digital currencies, yet a carefully prepared player. The usefulness of a digital money characterizes its costs, and not its incredible beginning. We should investigate the digital currency cost forecasts by which merchants can settle on a legitimate choice to purchase long money. YFI Value Expectation 2022. Taking into account there are no unexpected shocks or a stony way forward for cryptographic money markets, YFI is good to go to confirm serious areas of strength for its as a significant fascination among its financial backer local area. The street ahead is loaded with pedals gave the financial backer certainty continues blasting bringing about a significant push to the cost taking it to cross all hindrances scaling $28,910.64. YFI Value Expectation 2023. YFI has laid out a quick solid organization and works with the client experience of the item. These highlights can assist the YFI with instituting gain a lot greater cost of $34,766.18 per coin. On the off chance that the drive for useful crypto go on into 2023, the cost might try and see a worldview rush. YFI Value Forecast 2024. There are many expectations going ahead for the YFI token, particularly keeping in context the mechanical declarations and progress the biological system has plans on. There are suppositions that its market cost might reach $35,368.05. The intriguing special endeavors might wrap up making the financial backers gather the increases. Albeit the digital currency markets are totally flighty, it would maybe take a supernatural occurrence for YFI to build its cost by that much in such a short measure of time. YFI Value Expectation 2025. YFI is additionally dynamic in local area drives, taking into account they keep up force gathering a huge market cap. Their drives with an emphasis on training, effort, and developments might take them to a calculable degree of $45,829.36. A stunning confidence is likewise anticipated for YFI predominantly because of its steady presentation over years. YFI will balance out to bring heroic returns for its clients. YFI Value Expectation 2026. On the off chance that all markets turn good, this computerized resource is set to break all obstructions and perform richly scaling the top as a form engine, violating all impediments over the course of the following year. It would certainly give indications of fortune. Upheld by strong brilliant agreements, long money cost may effectively contact $41,683.07 before the year's over 2026. How would you bring in cash with long money? One can say okay and negative. Might it be said that you are watching the development of YFI on the trade fastidiously? You really want to do